Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their entire harvest year-round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. Brining helps with breaking down the proteins in the meat, which the later product will be much more tender and juicy. Make sure to rinse the turkey roll and have a big enough container so therefore it can be stored in the fridge. So all you have to do is cover it with the brine, completely submerge it, and then just place it into the fridge for 4 hours prior. After rinsing and drying off the turkey roll, mist with oil, so therefore you have a binder for the seasoning. Santa Maria seasoning is peppercorn blend, Himalayan salt, flat leaf parsley from the harvest, and granulated garlic. Apply heavily, so therefore you have a good penetration of the seasoning. Place in a meat probe, then place in the middle rack of your smoker. As you can see, I am making sure to monitor. Remove the netting while it's still resting within the 10-minute time frame. It'll come off really easy for you. And then look at this beauty being sliced. There's still a ton of moisture in there. Nice close-up view, cut against the grain, so therefore it'll clean, nice cuts. The brine helped the meat be incredibly tender all throughout. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you for viewing.